A very good morning, students. Our topic common postural deformities. We were discussing about the deformity of spinal curvature. In that, we have discussed kyphosis type of deformity, lordosis type of deformity, and today's topic is scoliosis type of deformity in your spine. What is scoliosis type of deformity? It is a sideways curve of your spine, maybe in C shape, maybe in S shape. It can be that can be lateral side. What is the lateral side? Side of your body, that is known as lateral portion of your body. Exactly definition: postural adaptation of the spine in lateral direction is called scoliosis. This may be in C shape as well as S shape, like this. It may be in C shape and S shape also. If you view on the spine, it is towards sideways like this curve is there. There are several reasons for this, why this type of posture is being acquired by the children. There are various causes. First one is disease in the joints and bones. If any child is suffering from some kind of disease, weakness in the joint and bones, that will not able to lift the body weight even, and your body will be tilting sideways, and you may acquire slow and steadily the scoliosis type of posture. Then second one is underdeveloped legs or paralysis. Some children are having underdeveloped legs, means legs are very lean in comparison to the body, and there is no muscle mass around the bones. Then you are likely to opt this scoliosis type of posture. Then carrying heavy load on shoulders. See, child labor and all, it is common in our society, and right from the beginning. And we talk about no child labor, but every day around you will find child laborers, and they carry heavy load on their shoulders and all, and according to that load they are not having strength of their bones. So with regular practice they will tilt their spinal sideways curve. Next is uncomfortable desk, where you are sitting for long study and all. See, posture is formed in childhood only, and that will remain stick with you throughout your life. So you should be always careful about your posture, how you stand, how you walk, how you sit. And sitting on uncomfortable desk, that will also there will be a deviation in the posture. Then partial deafness. Person is not completely deaf, but partial hard of hearing. That child is also always having intention to lean one side for hearing as and when required. So they develop this kind of posture. Then wrong standing posture. Some children are having stylish way of standing. This is not the damaged style. You stand with the wrong posture, and that becomes habit, and later on habit will form the bad posture of your spine. So always stand erect with body weight on both legs. And last but not the least, it may be caused by congenital and acquired abnormalities of vertebra, muscle and nerve. This is genetic, by birth. By birth, some kind of it is not individual child's fault. It is parental transmission, and some kind of abnormality of vertebra is there at the time of birth. Muscles are so weak, and nerve system is not working properly. Then also you can develop the scoliosis type of posture. One more point we forgot, that is rickets. That rickets is very softness of your bones, and this is because of lack of vitamin D in your body. Lack of vitamin D. Nowadays children in our society, present society, nobody feel like to go outside in sunlight and all. Even their parents also will tell, no, 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 धूप में मत जाओ, अंदर आ जाओ. अरे early in the morning you should sit 1 hour in the sunlight. So sunlight is the major source of vitamin D. So your bones will never be weak. This rickets also, softness of bones, weakness of bones, it is just related to osteoporosis also. That is also disease, sign of weakness of bones, that we can remove this kind of disease from our body by taking of vitamin D. And major source of vitamin D, I tell you, that is sunlight. Early in the morning, at least 1 hour you should expose your body in the sunlight. You might have seen on the beaches and all, foreigners and all, they come, those are from cold countries like Russia and all, or European countries. They lie down on the sand with bare body, hours together they are lying. What is the purpose of that? They are not simply lying or enjoying, they are doing sun bath. This is known as sun bath. That means taking vitamin D from sunlight. Today's lecture is over. Thank you. Have a healthy day.